this is real. You say you're going to do something, you better show the hell up. And they make sure of that. Since joining, my life has shifted. I went from thinking about stepping back into entrepreneurship to launching my own brand, building my own community, and actually executing on everything I said I wanted to do. And the crazy part, I owe a big piece of that to the Brotherhood.
Not always do you have a group that's just as excited for you to reach your goals as you are to hit them. There's nothing quite like the Brotherhood, and you have the opportunity to be part of that, and I know it's going to bless your life.
And I met like the coolest guys. I was like, is this for real? I felt like I was almost in like a dream or a movie. We were just on the boat. We were sharing stories about what we do, how we can help each other, and instantly I felt like connected. I can't even honestly believe that this existed.
It's a big, good group of people, and that's why I like being one of the dumbest people in the biggest rooms.
Being a part of this, I can see them kind of expanding and growing in really cool opportunities, and I can see financially things happening in the future, which I'm gonna be excited to see in the future.
I can't say how much of an amazing opportunity it's been to be involved with it so far. The environment's uplifting and you're around a bunch of positive people.
I would say check this out. You got to surround yourself with the right environment that wants to nourish and actually promotes you, or cheerleads you on, and not puts you down for trying to be successful. That's really important to me.
The Brotherhood events are top notch. Everything that goes on at these events is something that you want to be a part of.
This event, the Brotherhood, it was dope. Got together, I got to hear some really good, solid men speak. Got to connect with a lot of guys.
And just on a mission to just push Brotherhood.
Nice to meet other people that have been where you've been, or trying to go where you're going. It's nice to have people along with you, along the journey with you.
The caliber of people here is just absolutely incredible. Conversations that I've had with these brothers, I have been able to flesh more out of myself and the business that I am putting together to bring more value to my future clients. So if that's something that you're looking for, you need to be in the Brotherhood.
The Brotherhood has been really impactful for me because that's what I wanted. That's who I felt like I needed to spend more time around, was other men who were growing, who were, working out, being more active, focused on their business. And so that's been a huge support for me.
And it's just good to connect with that like-minded mentality group of people and see what we can do to help each other.
I wouldn't be where I'm at with the network and all that if it wasn't for the connections and the time and the mentorship and the love.